Activation codes. We talk about activation codes and the purpose of activation codes. Let me show you. Let me log in. Okay. Okay, now logged in. Activation codes. We talked about this before, how important they are. You'll see in your site, you'll see a lot of activation codes, and these activation codes are used for your purpose of training. And how these are used. For example, if you purchase 10 seats for safety training, you're going to have 10 activation codes. These activation codes are very important to what you'll be doing is assigning these activation codes to students, and that will help them, that will get them into the courses that they have been assigned to. If you have these activation codes, the one way to send these activation codes to a student, for example, let's check this right here I'm looking at, is actually, this is the M1, this is for a safety class. If you want for it to say, there's going to be a modular course for safety, if you want to change the name of that, you can do so by changing the name of it to safety if you want to. And hit save. Okay. Of course, the content, by viewing the site glass there that views the content of that module. And if you want to send this to a student, you simply click on the envelope, type in that student's email address, and hit mail code. Then you have actually enrolled that student into that course. So it's a very quick way of assigning activation codes to a student for a particular course, in this case, the safety course. The next thing I have on my list here is talk about is how to enroll a student in the course. That we just did that by clicking on the activation code.